Verifying your identity on GoodRx Gold is an important step to ensure the security of your account and access to benefits. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create your GoodRx account. Visit the GoodRx website or app and sign up for a new account. Provide your email address and create a password. Make sure to use a valid email that you can access. Step 2. Provide personal information. Once your account is created, you will need to enter personal information such as your full name, date of birth, and address. This information is crucial for identity verification. Step 3. Upload identification documents. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Answer security questions. You may be prompted to answer security questions to further verify your identity. These questions typically relate to your personal history or financial information. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your information and documents, wait for GoodRx to review your submission. You will receive a confirmation email once your identity has been verified, which may take a few minutes to a few hours. Once you have completed these steps, you will be able to access your GoodRx Gold benefits securely. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to GoodRx customer support for assistance.